Ningol CHAK-KOUBA will be celebrated across the state, but the true festivity that embodies Ningol CHAK-KOUBA festival will be missing, owing to the ongoing crisis. Internally displaced women from Iko, Sadu and Yenkumam villages who are taking shelter at Sajiwa relief camp are not upbeat with the arrival of this festival. They expressed their ultimate wish of returning to their homes. SKTV News video journalist Bitul Yambem and Nongtombam Johnson brings you a special report.
It's a festive season. Manipur is set to celebrate the Ningol CHAK-KOUBA festival despite the prevailing unrest in the state, but the gaiety and cheeriness associated with the festival is lacking for villagers of Iko, Sadu and Yenkuman who have been taking shelter at the relief camp at Sajiwa. Women from Iko village have welcomed the invitations of Ningol CHAK-KOUBA from various organizations in the state. However, they expressed that their ultimate goal is to celebrate Ningol CHAK-KOUBA at their original villages, at their homes with their loved ones in a peaceful and cordial environment. They have urged organizations in the state to felicitate for their return to their homes.
Ningol oibi akhoi Sajiwa relief camp gi Iko ki tangi oina akhoi Ningol oibi akhoi gi saruk yajara roige laibang miyam gi chengna dum harau nuaina amtang thokpa maitai gi thaina dagi chanaraglaba Ningol CHAK-KOUBA ji saruk yabiu relief camp da leiriba Ningol akhoi bu sibidera nakai khudimaktagi CHAK-KOUBA gi paton thabiragliba singbo akhoi taram no ye harau jai adubu Ningol oibi akhoi na pamjabadi akhoi na leiriba laikai duda akhoi gi horakham oiriba akhoi gi yum hingol laijadaba akhoi mafam duda hanjin hanbada laibang miyam gi minung sido mayana pangbiba tengbang do aduna akhoi gi Ningol CHAK-KOUBA gi khudoni khanjage penmado oijage aduga akhoi gi pabung biroinasu leiriba mau akhoi busu Ningol CHAK-KOUBA sachaba akhoi kaudagi haugiba Ningol jingbusu akhoi yumda kauraga chakkaujabagi nodo mathangi sahijidadi pibiu maduna akhoi gi mapok semagi Ningol oibi dilkem da leiriba Ningol oibi akhoi gi dokhinani haina khanjage akhoi ji mi oina poijibu nungaina ba poira mi ji kadawai poino haina thanda kale hujikti numitare amuk tumba nungale amuk pirakpa khara chaba kaino khoina tawrije khalubada khoidi meaning thoktre khoi haibam laitre kaim daibam laitre khoi je kayam yamna lalurage sikatane khoina khangningi sagi iramjida sagi lamdamjida khoina tawbanga ma jamata lairamdaba je khoi khangjada baga parjanga tane khoi khangdaba ngatane khoi yumnena laijaruriba khoi iramdamduda akhoi changba yaramdre akhoi bamtang di gyan ta hanbiyo maramdu pibiyo sisi lairubagi noi janaramda changba yadrabane noi di laiba yararoi haibadu khanganbiyo penthokjage society tawrju tawthokra lore adubu maramdu di khangjaningeba ningone kaigi nungsiruiduino akhoi na kutek tana pajariba Ningol CHAK-KOUBA ne kaigi chani chadingdo moina langningangbadabado mau yimdongi chanaraga pabungdagi pamjaba haibabu mathangi chahigi Ningol jingi dokhina oina akhoi bi yimda hanjananbiyo si haijaningi khoina nijaba dokhanadi lising do natte
sida si subam lei ju khangra adu khoi subam du laitre isa du semni
college tamo be tambawo
school thaningi
tam bhara oina ba
ipam du chaningi isai tom da tongana khai tok jare ba khoi ikau du da ikram ana kam matam da hanjan ba phangdi do no ba.
On the other hand, a woman in Sajiwa relief camp is still yet to celebrate her Mangani CHAK-KOUBA, a post-marriage feast, as violence broke out just a day after her marriage to her in-laws' house in Iko.
Negi detu da luhung zaman ai nongan baga dum nan jenar Mangani CHAK-KOUBA nangdana ipam ji mai chaga ka mai jatu Ningol CHAK-KOUBA saning musu phaude khoi matangi Ningol CHAK-KOUBA ji kauhan biyo duna CHAK-KOUBA yaudinga da khoi yim da sanghan biyo handaki Ningol CHAK-KOUBA gi khudo na ni chari ado chena ba phiron du lai tana kai che daga chatuino saning musu phaude